Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video, you'll get a way to make $100 to $300 per day on Clickbank. We're gonna go over the profitable niches, how to pick a product, and then how to drive traffic to your affiliate link so you can make those sales. You don't need any experience and you don't need any money, but make sure you stick around until the end because I'm gonna share with you a Google hack where you can drive traffic to your affiliate offer, and I promise you, you've probably never heard of this before. And again, it's completely free. Also, I want to share with you why I think most affiliate marketers fail and what you can do about it. And I promise you, no one's talking about this either. You want to make sure you stick around until the end for that. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, the first thing you want to do, of course, is to sign up for Clickbank. Go to clickbank.com, create a free account. I did want to point out that you want to pick a username that does make sense or something that you wouldn't be embarrassed about because you cannot change your username. Also, make sure you go ahead and get your payment information set up so that you can get paid. You can get paid via check, that's how I get paid, direct deposit if you're in the US, or Payoneer if you're outside the US. All right, the second thing you want to do is to research profitable niches. These are the ones that you will make the most money in: wealth, relationships, and health. And that is because people have the most problems in those niches. But I would recommend that you look for sub-niches because those are too broad of categories. Something like if you're going to go into the health niche, keto diet or intermittent fasting, those would be more niche specific, and that would be easier to sell in those niches. And then you want to pick one free traffic platform that has high leverage. I'm going to explain to you at the very end what I mean by high leverage. I'm going to give you an example. And you also want to build an audience because that's what people do wrong, is they just don't master a traffic source. They jump from one product to another, to one program, and they don't make any sales because they never stick with one traffic strategy long enough to master it and to build an audience. And when you build an audience, you can sell anything. Number 4 is you want to pick a high quality product to promote. I'm going to give you some examples here. We're going to look at the health niche. But you want to make sure that the sales page looks good because there's some sales pages that are not very good in Clickbank. And I've done a lot of product reviews on Clickbank products. If you go to my channel here and just type in review, you'll see all the different reviews that I've done. So you might even check my channel to see if you wanted to promote a certain product, if it looks like a good product. But you can just come to my channel here and see if I've done a review on it. You also want to look at the affiliate page assets to make sure that they have marketing materials that look good, that you can use. You can pick the top 2 or 3 products in popularity in your niche and then just rotate them out in your marketing to see which one converts the best. So if we go over to Clickbank and let's say we're going to promote something in the health and fitness niche, which right now would be something really good to promote, being as most people gain weight during the holidays and want to take off weight in January. But if you just come in here and click on that category, it'll automatically rank them by the most popular. So you can see the most popular is Resurge, and the gravity there is 336, so that's really good. That product is selling well. Steel Bite Pro. This one here I really like, Diabetes Freedom. They have some good material in there for affiliates to market. You can see that the average sale is $56. You may take these 5 top ones and rotate them through your marketing. Let's take a look at their affiliate page here for Diabetes Freedom. They do have a lot of marketing materials that you can use with this one. They do have email swipes, they have keywords, they have ad headlines. So you can look through this affiliate page here, but I do think it is a good product, and I do think they do have a good page here that you can get some marketing materials from. I find it interesting they are linking to Commission Hero to learn Facebook ads, which I wouldn't recommend you do any paid to start with, but they have a link to Commission Hero, which I guess the owner of this product would make a commission if you bought Commission Hero, which is another Clickbank product. But they do have some good articles and email swipes, so definitely check this out. And number 5, then you would use the marketing assets, of course, to promote it. And how are you going to promote it? That's always the big question, is how are you going to make those sales? Well, I'm going to tell you about this Facebook strategy with the Google hack. And I'm going to tell you this is a good strategy, but the next one that I'm going to share with you is an evergreen traffic source, and I'll explain that here in just a second. But with this strategy, a lot of marketers are out there teaching this strategy, but I wanted to share it with you because it is one thing that you could do. You could go to Google and search a keyword in your niche and find an article using that keyword. So for example, if we go to Google and type in how to reverse diabetes naturally, because we're going to promote that Clickbank product that I just told you about. On the first page of Google, you can find an article like this, 10 steps on how to reverse diabetes naturally. And you can see it's a very good article. It has a lot of good images. This would be a great article to share with people. Well, how are you going to make money if you share this article? That's what I'm going to share with you right now. So after you find that article, of course, you can find how much traffic that article and that website gets by using SimilarWeb or some other free tools. But I would consider, if it's a popular keyword like how to reverse diabetes naturally, they're probably getting millions of views a month. Now, you're not going to get those kind of views, but you're going to be using this article that is a very popular article. You're going to go to Sniply, snip.ly, and create a free account. Now, I will tell you that it is free, but it's only for 14 days, and after that it's $29 a month. But if you use this method and make even one sale a month, that will pay for it, and you can definitely scale up from there. So if we go to Sniply, you would just come up here and create a snip, and you would put the URL of the article in there, and then you would add your affiliate link inside a Clickbank here. You just go here and promote, and you'll get your hop link. You're going to add that inside of Sniply as well. So once you get your Sniply link, it would look like this. So when you post this on Facebook, it would show this article, but down here on the bottom left, it says how to reverse diabetes naturally. Now you can put whatever title you want here, but that's what I put. If you click on that, it will take you to my affiliate link for this product right here, which is the one that I put in there, Diabetes Freedom. So you can see that this is a way that you can share this article on Facebook, and people will read the article and then they see your affiliate link here. You can get sales this way. Now you would go and join Facebook groups having to do with health and fitness, and you have to, of course, read their terms and conditions because some of them do not allow promotion. But I would consider sharing an article like this not promotion, because you're providing valuable information, but you just have to follow their terms and conditions. And the thing about Facebook marketing is it does take time, but it's not evergreen. So these posts will come and go, whereas the next strategy that I'm going to share with you is evergreen. This is a better method, I think. Is to create a YouTube channel around health. Now don't worry, you do not have to show your face, but I'm telling you, this is evergreen content. You create a video and it's out there and people will see your video. Like I have videos that people see from years ago and I make sales from them. So it's a much better method. And what you're gonna do is find channels in your niche and look for their most popular videos and create a similar video. So you don't wanna go out there and try to figure out So you don't want to go out there and reinvent the wheel. You want to go out there and find videos that are already getting a lot of views and create something very similar. You are going to use a free editor like openshot.org and create a video with free footage from places like Pexels or pixabay.com. You can come in here and download these videos for completely free. This is Pexels. This is Pixabay. So you would take these videos, put them in the editor, and you would create a script and read it into your iPhone. You can use voice memos for voiceover. That's what I use. And so you're putting all these videos together along with your voice and creating a video around whatever topic it is that you're talking about. And then you want to have a call to action and post your affiliate link above the fold in the description. Just in case you don't know what above the fold is, if you put your affiliate link down below here, like if I click on show more, if you put it down here somewhere, they're not going to see it. They have to click on show more. And so you want it to be right above here so that people can read it without having to click on that. Oh, and speaking of making money online, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you like. But let me share with you an easier way. I did say this was free. Now this is not free, but it's only like $10 a month to create 60 videos. And it's so much faster. And I want to share with you a friend of mine who is using this strategy, and she's doing very well with her channel. It's a health channel. Let me show it to you here. It's called Health Ninjas. Go ahead and check it out. It's a really great channel. She's just getting started, has 23 subscribers, but I know for a fact that she has made sales with Clickbank because she puts in the description of her video a link to whatever it is that relates to the topic that she's talking about. And she uses this software. I'll show you here in just a second. But if you go to Google, you're going to find articles on the first page and rewrite them. So for example, if you wanted to make a video about how to lose weight, you would go to Google, type it in, like maybe top 10 ways to lose weight, and you would find different articles. You would rewrite the articles, kind of like you're doing a research project. You're taking a little bit from one source, rewriting it, taking an idea from another source, and just making it your own. Definitely not copying. Don't want to do that. So then you're going to have a script, and you're going to go to a software called invideo.io and create the video. So let me share with you how you do that. Okay, so invideo.io, you would come here. You can create a free account, and I think they just give you one video that you can try it out. But again, it's like $10 a month. It's very inexpensive and saves you tons of time. You would click right here where it says text to video. Then you would pick a template. So I would pick this one here because it already has something to do with health on it. And just use this template. Add your headline. That's going to be the title of your video. So maybe top 10 ways to reverse diabetes naturally. And then you're going to put your script right here. Just copy and paste that. Click on next, and it's going to load it for you, and that will just have your text in the video. I'll show you here in just a second when it loads. Okay, so you can see that it has created slides with this text that I put in there. And we probably would want to take some of this text out because it's quite a bit in there. But it's picked videos that are having to do with what is in the article. But this one you'll probably have to change out. There's a lot of different videos in here that are completely free. You just drag and drop them in here. So you can see that it creates this whole video for you. Then you can go ahead and add voiceover. So you just click here and basically read what was on the screen. So you're going to have the text as well as your voice reading it. And then you just go ahead and save it and upload it to YouTube. And again, you want to have a call to action and post your affiliate link above the fold in the description. Now, I wanted to share with you why I think a lot of people fail with affiliate marketing, because a lot of people will come to me and say, I have tried this and this and this, and I've lost this amount of money, and I've done this, and nothing has worked for me. Do you remember your past failures or your past successes? This is so important. I can't even tell you how important this is. This is based on a book called Psycho-Cybernetics. I prefer the new Psycho-Cybernetics over Psycho-Cybernetics, but it's a classic. And it's basically, what is your self-image? Do you remember the things that you've done wrong? And when you do that, you are activating your automatic failure mechanism. We have an automatic success mechanism and an automatic failure mechanism. And I don't care if you believe me that this works, it absolutely does. And if you try it, you will be amazed at how things will turn around for you. Because again, most people are remembering all the things that they have not accomplished, all the things that they've done wrong. So what you want to do is you want to remember all your past successes. And it doesn't even matter if it's in affiliate marketing or making money online. So if you just sit down and you write out all the things that you've accomplished in your life, all the things that you've done well, and you read them to yourself every single morning, you again will be amazed at how your life turns around. And if you think, well, I've never had anything that I've accomplished in my life, of course you have. You know how to drive a car. You have a job. There's so many things. When you start writing them down, you'll remember all the things that you've done well in your life. And so what that does is it starts your automatic success mechanism into action. And I'm not going to get into exactly how it works, but it does work. I'm going to recommend this to you, the new Psycho-Cybernetics, as well as this book right here is an audiobook, Theater of the Mind, and it's based on that book. But I can't even tell you how life-changing this has been for me. So if you wake up in the morning, recall all your past successes, something even more powerful. I'm going to tell you this story. I learned it from Bill Bartman, who's a billionaire, and he's created countless millionaires. But he told this story of Dennis Rodman, who of course is the best rebounder in the NBA. But he said that Dennis Rodman, before a game, when everyone else was warming up, he was sitting on the bench with headphones on, and everyone thought that he was goofing off, just listening to music or something. But he was actually sitting there listening to himself in his own voice tell himself that he was the best NBA rebounder. And that is what he was doing. He was activating his success mechanism. He was telling himself that's what he was. Same thing with Muhammad Ali. He told himself he was the best before he ever was. And so what you can do is take that list of all your successes, put it on a voice recorder, and after you read it to yourself, listen to yourself telling yourself all your past successes. And then you can also add in there all the things that you want to accomplish as if it's already happened. This is super, super powerful. And I'm not going to get into everything about it, but I did want to point out, I have this blog post where I explain this all in detail. The secret to success online, little known secrets to making 7 figures online, goal setting for YouTube and affiliate marketing. I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video to this blog post, but I promise you, if you are struggling, this is what you need to do. And this is exactly what Paulo Barroso did. He was struggling for years, and he said he would jump around from opportunity to opportunity. And his mentor told him, it's not the opportunity, it's not the product, it's you. And when he started to change and do these things, he said everything turned around for him, and now he makes multiple 7 figures. So it's definitely worth your time to check this out so that you can use these strategies and have really great success with Clickbank or whatever it is that you promote online. If you're still here, I can tell you're someone who really wants to change your life. So let's go ahead and continue the learning with this next video, how to make up to $400 per sale with 7 high-ticket affiliate marketing programs. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.